Hello, everybody. My name is Liz Dierking. That beautiful brunette to the left of me is Jenny Andrews, and this is Market Movers. Today, we're going to talk about something very near and dear to our heart, Jenny, our kids.
Our kids, they are near and dear to our heart. For some reason, I thought we were talking about gambling today, but
Well,
let's talk
well,
about our kids.
those two go hand in hand nowadays, don't they?
Well, yesterday we did a market movers on our kids' accounts, them getting starting to trade, and we did receive some comments about are we just teaching our kids to gamble?
We did, and you know what? I appreciate that because um, I like that. Any way we can get people to look at options is a way to look at options, and if they want to look at it like gambling, we can look at it like gambling, right? So, Jenny, yesterday, and right off the bat, we're going to take a look at DraftKings, and we're going to take a look at DraftKings because it is a gambling site. You use it, I use it, my son uses it. I think your son uses it.
Yesterday, I placed 10 new bets on DraftKings. This is no, people know this. We've been on air for 15 years. I gamble. I go to the casino. I'll make bets on DraftKings. I gamble. Now, that is for fun. I trade to supplement my income. I have to trade to supplement my Tastylive income. And that is like a job to me. And gambling is for fun.
Right. So you're going to look at it, you look at it with a different set of eyes, but we're going to show how you can actually take a look at things in the same light. So when you gamble, Jenny, you are placing a bet. I'm gonna guess you bet on Miami of Ohio. I'm just guessing. It's where your son goes. They're hot right now. They're in fuego. What was that bet?
Okay, so Miami, Ohio has been all over the news because they were, 32 and 0. I don't remember if it's 32 and 0 or 33 and 0. They never lost during the regular season. They lost the first game in the MAC championship. So there were a lot of questions. Are they going to make it to the NCAA tournament? So I went on DraftKings with the intention of betting that, yes, they will make it into the NCAA championship. That wasn't even a choice. So DraftKings, you're missing out. I would have bet on that. It wasn't an option.
Oh, you need to go to the poly markets for that. You can
Yeah,
bet on anything.
yeah. So I just started seeing like all these cool bets. I could bet, if I bet $10 on Miami to win the NCAA tournament, the payout's $10,000. Or there were plenty of schools that had really big odds of, $5,000 on a $10 bet, $10,000 on a $10 bet, and I threw 10 different $10 bets on 10 different colleges for the NCAA tournament. But
So
that is 100% for fun and very different than what we would do in DraftKings
well,
trading options.
that's different than how you and I trade, but we can show how you can do that same thing in DraftKings, meaning DraftKings options. So let's jump into the platform and take a look about how we can show how you can kind of replicate what you did in your DraftKings account in a DraftKings stock, not by betting on sports per se, but by betting on a direction of a stock. Now, Jenny and I trade high probability trades. What you did yesterday was an extremely low probability chance of winning anything, right? Of winning
Right. So
anything.
anyone who bets knows if you're betting a little to win a lot, like if I'm betting $10 to win $10,000, my odds of winning are very, 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 very small. Kind of like buying a lottery ticket, right?
Correct.
But
Correct.
you're no stranger to lottery tickets.
No, I gamble too. I was just going to let you have your moment in the sun. I do everything under the sun. All right, so let's jump into DraftKings and kind of we're in the May 15th options with 36 days left. If you wanted to
Wait,
take
63 days,
I'm
63
sorry,
days.
63 days. Sorry, May 15 was 63 days. If you wanted to place a bet using very, 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 very small amounts of money, saying that you think the DraftKings could skyrocket, which is essentially what you did in your gambling account yesterday, you could go out and maybe buy the 35 call.
Right. So if someone wanted to take, put a small amount of money in hoping for a big return, they could make a low probability bet. If they go out there and buy that $35 call, it's 30, the market's 34.44. What we're looking at is this one right here. So if I bought that mid-market about $39, for $39, I'd control 100 shares of DraftKings, but at 35, you're playing for a huge move. Now, this is a low probability bet, a 14% chance that this is going to happen, that we're going to get above 35 in 63 days, but it's a low cost way, low probability way to control a larger amount of money. Because if we get up there, you're controlling 100 shares of DraftKings at 35, which would be controlling $3,500 of notional value of DraftKings, and it's only costing you $39 to do it.
This is exactly what you did in your I'm going to say gambling account because we're in DraftKings and I don't want to confuse the two. So this is what you do in your gambling account, and this is what people can replicate. And this is when people say that options don't make a lot of money. This is a very low probability trade. Lots of people do this. This is a low risk, high reward, out of the money call. But Jenny and I trade a different way, and I'm glad you brought this up because you are out there putting $10 on Miami of Ohio to
You
win
know
the whole
what?
tournament.
Here,
But there's a better way.
I will be watching the basketball tournament from, Sunday. They announce the teams making it, and then the games start, and I'll be watching it. So in order to have a little skin in the game watching it, I like to place bets on teams. No different than me betting on the Bears to make it to the Super Bowl before the season even started last year.
Okay,
So
but what you can't do in your gambling account, what you can't do in your gambling account is say, I would like to risk $100, or I would like to risk $150 and make $100 if this doesn't happen. You can't say that. You can't do that in your gambling account. You can't say, I don't think this is going to happen. You can't flip the cards over and be the house. Here, you can.
Right. So you're right. So think about those casinos, right? They're making a small amount over and 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 over. And that's what we want to do as traders. We want to be the house. We want to make a small amount over and over and over and over and over and over and over again.
And
And
for something not happening, right? So that's all we're playing for right now is something, the odds of something not happening. It's almost like taking the field. You took Miami of Ohio, I take everybody else, but I'm going to get very, 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 very small odds for doing that, right? They
yeah,
won't let you do that.
And so when you think about if your risk versus your reward, if your reward is much smaller than your risk, you've got a high probability position on, versus if your reward is much greater than your risk, you've got a very low probability position on. So in options, we like to, like Liz said, we want a high probability trade. So we're always risking more than what we could make. Typically, that's how we get a high probability trade.
Right. So let's pop one in the essence of time and let's sell the 25-22 put spread here.
Okay, selling that 25 put, buying the 22.5 put. Here's the put spread. All this is doing is essentially betting that DraftKings won't fall below 25 in the next 63 days. It won't be below 25. And as long as it's above 25, we'll keep this $90. So, how much are we making here? Yes, $90 credit. We'll keep $90 as long as DraftKings is above 25 in 63 days. That's it.
And so what I like about this segment is we told you how you can actually do exactly what all the kids like. I mean, don't get me wrong, my son's all over this stuff, right? And they like to look at the options with the high payouts, but the odds of that happening are very, 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 very slim. If you take a look at this and flip the cards over and do what they don't allow you to do in the gambling accounts, you're selling premium here with a high pop trade. You're risking about $160 to $150 depending on what you're going to collect here to make 100 for the odds of something not happening. DraftKings doesn't have to go up. It can actually go down a little bit. So that's what options gives you the power to do.
Okay. Love it, Liz. Love it. Thanks for watching today's Market Movers. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, or share with your friends.
And if you want to see more of us, please jump on over to tastylive.com or Tastylive on YouTube, and you can be part of the chat.
No, get out there and trade small, trade often. Find those high probability trades.